over the years, since BIOEN, the program that Glaucia has been running, has been established in 2008, we did spend approximately 80 million reais, about approximately $30 million in this program, in a very large number of programs, and we supported about 400 scholarships in the area of bioenergy. So this is an important activity of FAPESP, among many others, but we are convinced that bioenergy has a fundamental role in the energy system in the next decades. And I think this is an opportunity, this Congress, in which we will meet for a couple of days, I think it's a great opportunity to clarify the technical problems that are involved in making bioenergy a very important source of energy, which is sustainable also, not only a source of energy, but sustainable.
It's an important moment for our bioenergy research program at FAPESP, which we call BIOEN, which was created with the idea of not only creating knowledge, technology, and science in relation to bioenergy, but also with the objective of getting scientists in the state of São Paulo, here in Brazil, to participate in a more active way in the international discussion about bioenergy policies, which they have been doing with success, led by Glaucia and a committee of researchers. And this is the third BBEST conference, and at FAPESP we are happy to support it, and we see a great future for bioenergy in Brazil. And I'm sure we will learn from the speakers today and during the week about thrilling and interesting ideas about this future of bioenergy in the world.
This year, what we are doing in the Policy Day is to look at at bioenergy in the landscape of the development of a bioeconomy. So Brazil has many opportunities, has a lot of potential, not only for bioenergy production, but bioproducts. We have a large biodiversity, so we can contribute to developing also of these different aspects of the use of biomass.
I just arrived from an island that has been hit recently by a tropical storm. That is not St. Martin's in the Caribbean, which is related to the Netherlands, but it is Ireland. 500,000 people out of electrical power, 3 casualties and billions of damage, and it happened yesterday. Climate change is happening, and this may be regular or not part of it, we don't know. But it tells that the world is changing, and that even the ones in Nordic countries are not safe for that sort of activities. My recent home is in Ireland, in the so-called Bernal Institute, Material Science Institute, where we focus on materials functionality for biomedical, for airplane, for composites, for pharma applications, and so on. And bio can play a role in that space, but it is not the first thing. So my new challenge is to see all the things that have been discussed, how they fit in this portfolio of industries that look for solutions that may be bio and that may not be bio. My other home base is the Netherlands. And Netherlands is the home of fossil industry, if you look in the port of Rotterdam. The fossil industry is not the safe investment haven that it used to be years ago. They perform at about half of their revenue stream of about 5 years ago, and their value, inherent value, is around 60–70% of what it was at that point in time. If you're an investor now, you go to more sustainable companies and not to the fossil risk. And you see that it impacts, for instance, large investors like pension funds. My mom gets less pension because fossil industry is at a decline. And bio Industry, as we discussed at this conference, can play a significant role in that as well.
A few words about our conference. We've been working for 1.5 years to put together this conference, and it's been hard work shared by many people, and we are here, and we are very confident that we are going to have a fine conference. To start, I want to give you some numbers. As if yesterday we have 371 participants registered from 13 countries, which is very good. We have 51 invited speakers, 41 oral presentations by voluntary speakers, and 230 posters. So we invite you all to know the papers and the work of all the scientists that came to this conference. And the works that are being presented at this conference cover all the 5 divisions of the BIOEN program. So I'd like to start with to thank all the invited speakers and all the conference participants that submitted papers.